Everybody, today's a big day in the United States. Um, and I just wanted to come on and remind you that, whether you're happy about who is being inaugurated or not, I think it's really important to remember that it's not the answer necessarily. Um, I think it's dangerous to deify or demonize people who are in positions of power in the government or celebrities or anyone for that matter. So I think, as we watch the pomp and circumstance and all of that, just to sort of stay grounded, I wanted to just remind you that we the people, we're the country, and we have a part to play. So, we can't just outsource it to our, people in positions of power in our government. We all have a role to play, and to remember that, and to make sure that you are connecting to yourself in a way that brings the best of you out into the world, into your family, into your community, into your job. That's the only way we're going to change, and also to try to understand people who have different viewpoints. And I think that's obviously one of the biggest things right now is how do we not other people? How do we not shame people? How do we not label people? How do we see the totality of each person as a human being, whether we agree with them politically or not, or whether we think they're educated or misinformed or any of that. I think there's a very broad spectrum of understanding and belief, and all I keep seeing is these very black and white portrayals, and yeah, it's not good. So yeah, let's be better. Let's be better. And again, be careful of deifying or demonizing. It's a very black and white way of looking at things. And life is gray. People are gray. We're all works in progress. We're all just trying to do the best we can based on our belief systems, based on our past experiences, based on the color of our skin, our socioeconomic background, our education. There's so many factors that go into make us who we are. And that is the beauty of this country, is that there is diversity. There's diversity, obviously, in the obvious ways, racial, ethnic, cultural, but there's also diversity in thought and diversity in type of experience and the work that we do and the ways that, we enjoy ourselves and the things that are important to us. So let's just try to be respectful of everyone, where everyone's coming from, and try to understand that as best we can. There's always going to be extremes, but extremes are extremes, and we are not a country of extremes. The news makes you think that way, but if we stay balanced within ourselves, we keep balance in the way that we think about others, and try to understand where everybody's coming from, and understand that most people are just doing the best they can, and most people are in a lot of pain and frustration that has not been resolved or healed, and they're acting out of that. So yeah, so let's just okay. And we still have a very long road to go. Those are just my thoughts that I'd like to share with you today as you watch the pomp and circumstance, and to not get carried away into some fairy tale, and to know that you have a part to play as well. So anyways, good luck to us. God bless America. Okay, bye.